Today we're showcasing the development of an EcoHitch X5010S for the Lucid Air. From initial concept and vehicle scanning through engineering, prototyping, and validation to the final production hitch. This fully concealed design delivers a 4,000-pound tow rating and 400-pound tongue weight capacity, providing a clean, vehicle-specific hitch solution for the Lucid Air.
Hey everybody, it's Kylie with Torklift Central here in Kent, Washington. I'm with Aziz, the proud owner of a 2025 Lucid Air touring model. And we're gonna be doing a custom hitch for Aziz here. One question would be, how did you hear about us?
You know, I had to call around to try and find somebody who was willing to make a hitch for this vehicle because there's not really anything available. You guys were really accommodating and open to designing something, prototyping something up for this vehicle, so I'm pretty excited.
Yeah, and then you're from Canada, correct?
Yeah, from Vancouver, so just over the border.
So what made you take the whole trek all the way down here?
Well, I mean, it's not too far. I don't mind coming down to the States. It's not like it's a super far drive, but more or less just how accommodating you guys were and having a loaner vehicle and how easy you guys have made everything. So.
Okay, and once you have the hitch on your Lucid Air, what do you plan on using it for?
Mostly bike stuff. I own a business in the bike industry, so I'm transporting bikes all the time. I do a lot of racing, downhill racing throughout the interior, British Columbia, in Washington and stuff like that, like Port Angeles and all that fun stuff. So I'm basically just going to be using this to transport my race bikes all over the province and all over the state. So. And
what are you currently using to haul your bikes around?
I have a C-sucker that I've been using. I mean, I just got this vehicle like a month ago, so I've been looking at options as far as what to use for hitches. The C-sucker is good, I mean, for short drives and stuff, but when you're going on the highway and you have, you know, almost 700 horsepower, you want something a little bit more solid than just some suction cups holding your, you know, $10,000 bike on your roof. So
we'll knock that out for you. You'll be able to watch us with this this custom install that we're going to be doing here. And yeah, I'm happy to show you when we're all done here.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Thanks, Aziz.
Aziz, welcome back.
Thank you.
How does it look? I mean, it's finished product now.
Looks phenomenal, very clean, very well done. Yeah, I love it.
Did we meet your expectations?
Absolutely.
Amazing, amazing. And then what is a thing that stood out to you with working with Torklift Central?
I would say it would have to be the professionalism and
Okay.
the communication.
Yeah.
Very good at keeping contact with me for the week it took.
Yeah.
You know, photos, everything. You were very professional about when it was going to be ready. It was ready when you said it was going to be ready, and that's always good. So
Exactly. And we
Yeah.
have something, this is a prized possession. Most people, they look at their cars as like their baby. And to have it gone for almost a week and a half, that's a big responsibility. And we don't take that lightly. So I'm glad that you let us do this, because we're not only able to 3D scan it, we're able to make CAD models, and we're going to help other Lucid customers
Amazing.
if they have that need. So if you do have a Lucid and you want a hitch like Aziz here, feel free to reach us at Torklift Central. We'll be happy to help you. Aziz, I appreciate it.
Thank you so
Until
much.
next time, if you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to call us.